The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Livingston County in central Illinois, Ford County in east central Illinois, western Iroquois County in east central Illinois, until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:59 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms extending from 10 miles northwest of Flanagan to 55 miles southwest of Gibson City and moving east at 47 miles per hour. These storms are capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Flanagan by 7:05 p.m., Pontiac by 7:20 p.m., Fairbury by 7:25 p.m., Gibson City and Forest by 7:30 p.m., Chatsworth by 7:40 p.m., Piper City and Cullum by 7:45 p.m. This is a dangerous line of storms. Seek shelter inside a sturdy building and stay away from windows.